Even after finding out new editing app, CapCut app will always be one of our best editing app, and you and I know it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel and you are here to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button, like the video and comment on the video. Everybody are talking about different editing apps since CapCut have make almost all their features pro, and we have realized new editing apps that we can use to edit our video. But we discovered something: most of the features CapCut have, all these editing app don't have it. So a lot of people have been wondering, should I go ahead to pay for CapCut app pro or not? And I know that I don't have the money. I'm very sure you too, you don't have the money to be paying either yearly or monthly yet you don't have the money. So I discovered a way to use CapCut app pro for free. You can use their pro different features for absolutely free. I will not be wasting your time with my talk and talk and talk and talk. Let's just head into business. And don't screw. If you want to learn how to use CapCut app pro for free, don't screw. Make sure you watch this video till the end. You select the video you want to edit. You go ahead to edit it to your liking using any CapCut pro. So let's try it. Any CapCut pro that you want to use. Filter, movie. So you can see this particular one is in CapCut pro. You go ahead to use it. Okay, so I've used it. Then try to export it. As I try to export it, you can see what it say. You are using the following Premiere features. Then you cancel. You just go ahead to screen record it to your liking. Screen record it from beginning to the end. As you start screen record, you play it, allow it to end, then delete this one. So we are finished playing it. Then you end your screen record. If you have end your screen record, you now go to your photo. To edit it there. I finish screen recording it, you now come to your photo, select screen record video, it to your liking, to edit screen record it from your photo. First thing first is here. You this place, you edit it to the place that this thing started. Liking, screen record it from beginning. Okay, record, you play it. So okay, so this one. Then you come to crop it to the size of the video. You save it. Record, you play it. You can see it. I use CapCut Pro on it. It's just that this allow it to end will show, except you want to crop it then up, delete. You understand? But before you screen record the video, make sure you're in a quiet place for background noise not to enter the video that you are screen recording it. And if you are still watching till this time and you are yet to subscribe or like the video or even comment, please do so. Bye. See you in my next video.